infuse. Definition: to fill someone or something with an emotion or quality. Example: the chef decided to infuse the tea with fresh mint leaves. Ingest. Definition: to eat or drink something. Example: she will ingest the medicine after dinner. Inhabit. Definition: to live in a place. Example: many species inhabit the tropical rainforest. Inhale. Definition: to breathe air, smoke or gas into your lungs. Example: she accidentally began to inhale dust while cleaning. Inherit. Definition: to receive money, a house from someone after they have died. Example: she will inherit her grandmother's necklace. Inhibit. Definition: to prevent someone from doing something by making them feel nervous or embarrassed. Example: the new rules may inhibit creativity. Initiate. Definition: to cause something to begin. Example: the principal will initiate a new recycle program. Inject. Definition: to use a needle and syringe to put a liquid such as drugs into a person's body. Example: the nurse will inject the vaccine carefully. Innovate. Definition: to introduce changes and new ideas. Example: the company helps to innovate in renewable energy. Inoculate. Definition: to give a weak form of a disease to a person or animal, usually by injection as a protection against the disease. Example: farmers inoculate crops to protect them from disease. input. Definition: to put information into a computer or other piece of electronic equipment. Example: please input your passwords to continue. Inquire. Definition: to ask for information. Example: she decided to inquire about the scholarship's requirements. Inscribe. Definition: to write words in a book or carve them on an object. Example: the jeweler will inscribe a special message inside the ring. Insert. Definition: to put something inside something else. Example: he forgot to insert the key into the lock. Insist. Definition: to say firmly or demand forcefully, especially when others disagree with or oppose what you say. Example: he will insist on telling the truth. Inspect. Definition: to look at something carefully in order to check its quality or condition. Example: the officer will inspect the building for safety hazard. Inspire. Definition: to make someone feel that they want to do something and can do it. Example: her speech will inspire the audience. Install. Definition: to put furniture, a machine, or piece of equipment into position and make it ready to use. Example: we plan to install solar panels on the roof. Instantiate. Definition: to present or be an example of something. Example: the developer will instate multiple classes in the application. Instate. Definition: to establish something. Example: the board will instate the new director immediately. Instigate. Definition: to cause an event or situations to happen by making a set of action or formal process begin. Example, protesters may instigate reform through peaceful action. Instill. Definition. To put a feeling, idea, or principle gradually into someone's mind. Example, parents have to instill confidence in their children. Institute. Definition. To start or pause a system, rule legal actions to exist. Example, the government will institute reforms in education. Instruct. Definition. To teach someone how to do something. Example, the teacher will instruct us on how to solve the problem. Insulate. Definition. To protect someone or something from outside influences. Example, proper clothing helps insulate the body in cold weather. Insure. Definition. To provide insurance for someone or something. Example, many people chose to insure their homes against natural disasters. Integrate. Definition. To combine two or more things in order to become more effective. Example, the company will integrate artificial intelligence into its services. Intellectualize. Definition. To think about or discuss a subject in a detailed and intellectual way without involving your emotion or feeling. Example, some people intellectualize difficult experience to cope with them. Intent. Definition. To have as a plan or purpose. Example, she does not intend to miss the meeting. Intensify. Definition. To make something stronger or more extreme, or to become stronger or more extreme. Example, the coach's speech will intensify the team's determination. In next tutorial, I will bring you English word with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.